Hello students, we'll continue with our discussion. In my previous video I have uploaded about the rules of debit and credit, and I have also uploaded a video practical on journal entries. Today we will learn one important book of accounting which every businessman they maintain. That is the cash book. Cash book. See the meaning. A cash book is a special journal which is used for recording all cash receipts and cash payments. Now here, this is a book used only for recording all cash receipts and all type of cash payments made by a businessman or a business enterprise. Now you have to keep it in mind. Cash here means, you see, notes. There is hard cash, coins, checks, bank draft, postal order, etc. Now the next second points, as you can see, the importance of cash book, why it is maintained by every business enterprises. As you know, journal, it records all the transaction, whether it is cash, credit related, all transactions are recorded. But cash is the most important aspect of every business establishment. A businessman must be aware of his cash position every now and then. For that purpose, every establishment, whether it is small or big, they maintain a separate register. That is nothing, that register is nothing but called as cash book. Now what is that importance, you see? It is the most important subsidiary book. Yes, it is one of the most important subsidiary book. It is maintained by every business, whether small or large. Whether it's a small type of business or a big establishment or a company, any type of business, they will maintain this book. It records his daily, weekly and monthly cash receipts, and cash payment is known from this cash book. How much payment daily it has received, how much cash received, how much payment it has received on a daily basis can be known from the study of this book. If they want to see the weekly cash receipts and cash payments, or they want to see the monthly cash receipts or cash payment, everything cash related things, from starting from daily, or they want to see the weekly or from the monthly, will be known from the cash book only. Then it minimize the chances of cheating, fraud, embezzlement and manipulation of cash management. Now generally in an establishment, business establishment, sometimes the businessman, he himself, record the cash transactions. But there are some cases also have happened that he may employ some cashier or a manager who is recording in the cash books. So any point of time, if we check the employer, if we check his cash book where every cash receipts and every cash payments records are there, so there is a less chances or minimizes the chances of cheating or fraud made by an employee who is handling the cash. So it may happen that sometimes some amount of cash receipts which is in your knowledge, but out of that some amount of money due to greediness or some other reasons, the employee who is looking after this, he may not record. So this is something in Hindi it is called hera feri, the manipulation, not writing properly, receive 5,000 but not recorded in the cash books. So everything will be known. Or sometimes it may say you have sent a check in the bank, but that check not deposited in the bank, but the employee has deposited in his own account. So that things also will be known from this, the study of this cash book. It presents a true position of cash transaction. It will present a true position, correct position of any point of time. You want to know the position of your cash, just look into the cash books and study the cash books. It will help to know the cash available of cash as well as the available of bank cash in the bank. The next point in this chapter is there are types of cash books. There are different types of cash books. First one we have is that simple or single column cash books. The second one is cash book with discount column. Third one, cash book with bank and discount column. And the fourth one we have petty cash book. Now different type of business maintain different types of cash books. Generally the simple or single column cash books are maintained by small businessmen. Cash book with discount column can be maintained by anyone. Cash book with bank and discount column, generally it is maintained by big establishment where the large volume of transaction take place in cash also, as well as in with the help of checks or some other forms of banking transactions. For that, this is the most appropriate book, cash book with bank and discount column. And the fourth one is the petty cash book, which is maintained only by a very big establishment, big business establishment, where there are large number of employees are there, where there are small expenditure used to take place of very small denomination amount every now and then. For that, a separate type of cash book that is called petty cash book is maintained. In our next video, we will discuss this all with one example, practical example. Okay, please like and share and comment about this video. Stay home, stay safe. Good night.